Supscape Squad! Today, Bri, Katie, and I battled it out in a one-color Nerf challenge. We blasted each other until only one of us reigned supreme. But before we get into that, it's time for a speed challenge. Like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite blaster below before the timer runs out. Good luck!
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Newscape Studios. My name's Max, this is Katie, and this is Bri. And today, we're doing another Nerf One Color Challenge. And although I'm doing the speaking, still behind the wheel. So you can't win all battles.
Go ahead, Max.
Yeah.
Let's do this thing. Okay, thank you.
Great.
You know what?
Really
Let's
good
get
job.
going first. You know, I'm gonna let you guys spin the wheel for yourself.
Aw, thanks, Max.
Feel free.
Okay, I don't think I've ever spun the wheel before, actually.
Well, good luck. Give it a good little
Big
one.
moment. Yes, I wanted red! Cool, it's perfect.
Yeah, I really wanted that.
That's okay. Yeah, I kind of like red too.
I feel pretty good about it.
But you know what I like more than red? This blue, baby.
Then get it. Go, go, go.
Blue, blue, blue.
Okay.
Yeah!
How did we both end up with the colors?
No.
Good job, guys.
And that means, Max, you don't get to spin the wheel.
Aw. Next time. Okay, let's go.
Oh, guys, I thought we were doing the snake.
Oh, I was doing a little dance, but it was a little separate. Hello, everyone. It's time to figure out what blasters we have in our boxes. And again, I'd like you guys to go first.
Aw.
So, Bri, Katie.
Go ahead.
Okay, ready, guys? Let's see what I got. Oh,
What is it? Ooh.
the sledge fire. You have to reload this every time you shoot. I can't wait for this round. All right, what do you guys get?
Okay, let's see. I got this, the Roto Fury. Ooh, that's cool.
Hey.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I love that blaster. That's a really cool one. Okay.
Your turn, Max.
Ooh, I almost hit you in the face. We have some 3D printed mods attached to this blaster.
That's pretty cool, dude.
And so be ready for extra precision.
You never know what's gonna happen. You ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Woo!
What's up, guys? It's KT. We're gonna knock him down today. I am so excited to try this out.
Welcome to the Thunderdome. My name is Mad Max and I'll be your guide. I'm a little scared. Katie was acting real aggressive and I think that she's gonna be a real sharpshooter today. Let's see how it goes.
Oh. There we go. You know what? This might not be my round, but that's okay because I'm wearing the new Newscape Pro shirts. How sick are these? These are gonna be in the shop soon. We have red ones, we have yellow ones, and we have blue ones, and you get to pick what team you're on. How cool is that? All right, round one, let's go.
I'm gonna win round one. Let's go.
Wait, I haven't even loaded yet.
Sorry, snooze you lose. So something that Bri doesn't have is 3D mods attached to her Nerf gun.
Oh no, I have to load again.
Okay, this is actually a pretty cool gun. Bri! Oh, I only have 2 more.
Max, don't kill me, we're just playing Nerf.
Hey, I don't like that. Oh,
Ah, right in the butt.
oh yeah, right.
Time to get Katie.
Right in the butt. Oh.
Wait, not yet, not yet.
Oh, that was the computer. Okay,
Ah, this stinks.
I can't get the computers. Oh my gosh, that was so close.
Oh. No, I'm out of shots.
Here we go, Bri. Yeah, red team wins. Woo.
Good job, red team.
Yeah, good job. Good job. Okay, bye.
Hey, we did it this time, guys.
You see that coordination? Okay, another round, and it's time to find out which blasters we have this time. And I'm feeling a little selfish.
Go ahead, dude, just go.
I think I want to go first.
Go.
Okay. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Look at this bad boy. This is the Vulcan. I know y'all have seen it in some other videos, and I'm gonna wreck. So be ready. Okay, y'all, keep going.
All right, I guess I will open mine next. Ooh, this looks so cool.
Oh.
I wouldn't get too excited.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. All right, watch out.
Don't get too excited about
Really?
that one. Yeah.
It looks cool.
Blasters hurt. I don't like them. Okay, Bri, let's see what you got.
All right. Oh, guys, you better watch out.
Oh.
I got the Hyperfire Elite.
Yeah.
This bad boy's got 25 darts in it, and they go fast.
Yeah, I know they do.
So you ready?
Yeah, let's go. 3 people enter. 1 leaves. Maxwell Dallas here, and today I got the Vulcan. They're going down. Boo, boo, boo.
All right, guys, it's round 2, and I got the Hyperfire Elite. I'm gonna keep it 100. Let's go.
Round 2. So we have the Nerf Megalodon, and it looks really cool. Plus, we won the last round, and I think we're just gonna have to keep it up, and we're gonna win the whole battle. So let's go. Boom. All right, Bri's going. Let's go. That was really off.
I can hear them fighting. I gotta set up some sort of. No! Yeah!
Oh, almost got you.
I don't. Did that even go?
For your bags! Oh, sorry, didn't mean to hit you 7 times. This thing is good. Let's go. Vroom, vroom.
No! It's not going!
Lucky mine is.
You got me. No!
Victory is mine. Woo, blue team this time. Let's go.
Where's Max?
Max.
Whoa!
Sorry guys, I was taking a little nap.
Oh.
Come on, dude, last round.
I'm not doing too great. I'm not doing too great this video. But this round, I'm gonna win. And I'm gonna let you guys go first again. So come on.
Okay.
Or Bri, let's see.
Okay. Okay, let's see what you got. Huh?
Okay.
I don't like that blaster.
Oh man. Ha!
Twins!
Yeah!
Oh.
Cool. Fortnite blasters.
Yeah, okay, sweet.
Hey, Max.
This is gonna be a painful round. For you guys! I actually do really enjoy this blaster. This is the deploy, and you can do a lot of really cool deploy style stuff if I can figure it out. See, look.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
That looks confusing.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna win this round. Let's go! Woo!
Hey guys, it's round 3 and I got this guy right here. So I think I'm gonna do okay. Let's see what happens. Let's go.
So I haven't done so hot so far, but now I have the deploy. And I'm not too worried about it. So, let's go.
Okay guys, we are so close to winning. I just need to get this one last round and then red team is going for the win. So let's, it's not what I thought it was. So let's go.
Bri, is that a Hulk hand?
Maybe, I don't know. I want to save that ammo. Whoa, 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 I dodged everyone.
Okay guys, I hear them fighting over there. I'm just gonna wait it out and let them come to me. I'm gonna wait for the perfect opportunity to get them. Let's do it.
Out of darts! Out of darts! Oh no, I don't like this! Oh!
Yeah! Oh yes! Red team wins! Woo! Yeah! Dead. Let's go play Minecraft.